Gardens by the Bay. Hello, world. You can see forever. I think I can see the whole world. This is Gardens by the Bay. These are the super trees. I'm chasing tails, I'm surrounded. Can't stop for a second to breathe.
Giddy up, can you make the horse run?
We're gonna walk through Gardens by the Bay, go to the super trees, and walk on the Skyway. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I don't really understand this floating baby art sculpture. My sister is doing her spider walk. She's a bit of a freak. Let's head towards the super trees. Petal shaped as a heart. We wanted to go up there yesterday night, but because of the lightning, we couldn't go up. So today we're gonna go on the skywalk. We can see Mommy.
Holding close,
She's way down there.
let the moon slowly take over all night.
The super trees are vertical gardens that have plants growing all the way up the structure and an irrigation system to water them.
A million fireflies that never touch the ground. See your pretty eyes light up as they fly away, heading towards town.
That's Marina Bay Sands. Be sure to watch our video tour of that hotel.
Sights across my way. You always be
Hi, it says hold on to small children.
little boy,
So she's holding on to me.
little girl, playing love games in the middle of it
It's
all.
really cool and I like looking down
Kiss,
and waving. Hi!
they talk tales, no for sure.
Hi!
Other nights, a single bed, staring at the ceiling, slowly laying
It's
your
an amazing view and you can see forever and it's so cool that you can see like everyone decorating for Christmas. And it would be super cool to be up here at nighttime to see all the lights too. And I feel like you can see all of Singapore.
Distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving.
Isn't it pretty up here?
Do you like the view?
Yeah, and there's a couple of flowers growing. You can see forever. I think I can see the whole world from here. I can see all of Singapore, I think. I think I see some islands too. Yeah, you can see the water right there.
Soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle.
I thought visiting the Skyway at Gardens by the Bay was a great way to spend an afternoon. It was a lot of fun to visit because the view from the Skyway was spectacular. You could see all of Singapore. Beautiful. There's the cloud dome and flower dome. And we're at the super trees.
Want to get right off the stress that builds within me.
Gardens by the Bay is part of Singapore's plan to transform its garden city to a city in a garden. The aim of raising the quality of life by enhancing greenery in the city.
so far away from down here.
At nighttime, there is an amazing light show at Gardens by the Bay, and I'm going to show you in my next video. Here are some photos. Isn't it incredible?